Welcome.
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 Welcome to KaMin.
On behalf of our entire team, let me express how excited and honored we are to have you join our organization. Your expertise combined with your passion to win will propel growth and be a big enabler to KaMin attaining our vision.
The acquisition of BASF's minerals operations is ushering in a new era for KaMin.
Through this acquisition, we're attaining a wealth of knowledge and capabilities that will make us a stronger and more resilient company.
For me, coming from BASF, this is definitely a big change. But already I feel like I'm part of the team. I'm pumped to be part of KaMin and can't wait to dig in and get to work.
We're a much larger team now. There's no limit to what we can accomplish.
KaMin competes on a global scale with a culture of continuous improvement as we work together to find new ways to deliver value for our customers. That's why bringing these two great organizations together is so complementary. This combination will enable KaMin to meet the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead as a better, stronger, well-positioned company that can create value for all stakeholders. By combining the talent, technology, and operational capabilities of our two teams, we've become a global leader in the markets we serve.
We're on this journey together, and we're stronger together.
With the new facilities and new teammates, I feel like this is a real opportunity because we can all learn from each other and get better as a company.
I've worked with BASF 18 years, and I know there's a lot of questions as we transition to KaMin, but I can tell you, I am very excited about the transition to KaMin.
We are energized by the talent and commitment that all of our teammates, current and new, give to our business, and we're excited at what the future holds for our new company, the new KaMin.
At KaMin, our vision is to be a global leader in performance minerals, a leader that enables innovative products for everyday life. Success in that mission starts and ends with you, our teammates.
KaMin's a new company for me, a new chapter in my life. But one thing I've already understand about KaMin, it's got a great team. I'm all in. Let's do this.
I'm in.
I'm all in. Let's do this.
I am in.
I'm all in.
I'm all in. Let's do this.
I'm in.
Let's do this.